Hey guys, today we will explain about how to connect your Google account with Shopify. This process is really simple and the first thing is open your computer browser can head over to the Shopify store and sign in your account which you want to connect with your Google account if you have not created your Shopify account with your Google. Then you can simply connect your Google account with your Shopify store. Now, in order to connect it, take a look on the right top. You will see your store icon. Click on it and tap on this option, Manage Account, which is on the second last number. Once you will click on it, you will see a new window where you can manage your profile. You can verify your email address. You can also upload the picture for your store, enter your last and first name. It's my email. And I created my Shopify store with the hand path email. Now, in order to connect it with my Google, here you can see the action of connect to Google. But now these are disabled. It's due to the first thing is I need to verify my email by which I created my Shopify account. In order to verify back, I need to click on this option, resend verification email. Then Shopify will send a verification code to my email. And once I will verify my email, these three options will be enabled. And I just need to click on the option connect to wherever I want. Once I will click on back, then I need to input that email. And that will be a recovery email for my Shopify account, and that's it.